Aging is often seen as something that just happens over time, but it actually depends a lot on how well the body manages waste and stress inside the cells. Every day, cells produce energy, but they also create harmful waste. If this waste isn't removed properly, it damages cells, causes inflammation, and slows down important functions. This damage shows up as wrinkles, tired skin, low energy, and problems like brain fog or weak immunity. Every day, we encounter toxins in our environment and daily choices like smoking or consuming alcohol. These toxins can harm our bodies, affecting organs like the liver, kidneys, and lungs. Toxins can also mess with our hormones, causing imbalances that lead to weight gain, mood swings, and other issues. When toxins build up in the body, the risk of developing health issues increases. These toxins come from everyday things like processed food, pollution, household cleaners, and personal care products. Imagine your body is a bustling city. Waste removal is essential. Just as garbage collection keeps streets clean and healthy, your body has its own ways to get rid of harmful stuff. Detoxification is the process of removing toxic substances from the body. Detox involves two main stages. The first stage is all about breaking down toxins so they're less harmful. The second stage is getting rid of the sorted waste. This involves turning the toxic bits into a form that's safe and can leave the body through urine, sweat, or even breath. Our bodies naturally detox, but sometimes it needs a little help. This is where the liver steps in. It's the main organ responsible for detoxification. Working in two phases, the liver converts harmful substances into safer ones, preparing them for removal. Phase 1 involves transforming toxins into less harmful compounds. But here's the catch. These new compounds can still be risky if they stick around too long. That's where Phase 2 comes in. Here, the liver uses helpers like glutathione to further modify toxins, making them water-soluble so they can leave the body. Glutathione is a powerful natural antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports the immune system. Unfortunately, modern living, like poor diet, stress, and pollution, can reduce glutathione levels. When glutathione is low, the body's ability to clean itself suffers, speeding up aging. To maintain healthy glutathione levels, consider these tips. Eat foods rich in glutathione, like avocados, broccoli, spinach, and beets. Reduce exposure to toxins in your environment. Manage stress. Manage stress through techniques like meditation or yoga. Get enough sleep as it helps the body detoxify. Consider supplements that can help boost glutathione production. Now, let's talk about autophagy. This fancy word simply means that your body cleans up and recycles old or damaged parts of cells, sort of like a recycling program. It's a vital process for staying healthy and youthful. But how does this process work? Autophagy literally means self-eating from the Greek words auto, meaning self, phage, meaning eating. During autophagy, your body breaks down and recycles old or dysfunctional cell parts. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and overall well-being. As we age, autophagy naturally slows down, leading to the accumulation of damaged cell components. This decline in autophagy contributes to the aging process and age-related diseases. However, we can support autophagy through various means. Fasting or reducing calorie intake can stimulate autophagy, allowing the body to clear damaged proteins and recycle their components. Regular exercise can also enhance autophagy, promoting cellular renewal and longevity. Mitochondria are the tiny powerhouses inside our cells responsible for producing energy. They play a crucial role in keeping us active and feeling great. However, these little energy factories can suffer damage from stress, toxins, and aging. When mitochondria are damaged, they can't produce energy efficiently, leading to a whole host of issues. We might feel tired or foggy, and our bodies start to show signs of aging more quickly. Our immune system weakens, making us more prone to illness. Even our brains and muscles don't function at their best. Supporting our mitochondria is essential for maintaining health and vitality. We can do this by providing our bodies with the right nutrients. One way to help our mitochondria is by giving them high-quality building blocks. Coenzyme Q10, known as COQ10, is one such nutrient that supports mitochondrial health. By incorporating coenzyme Q10 into our diets or supplementing it, we can help our mitochondria function more efficiently, boosting our energy levels and overall well-being. The small intestine and kidneys also play vital roles in removing toxins through digestion and urination. Breathing, sweating, and even blinking contribute to detoxification. Our gut is a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. This diverse community plays a vital role in our health, influencing digestion, immunity, and even our mood. When our gut is in balance, it aids in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and protecting against harmful substances. It also helps train our immune system to distinguish between harmless and harmful substances. However, when our gut health is compromised, this balance is disrupted, leading to inflammation and various health issues. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. We can support our gut health by consuming a balanced diet rich in fiber, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These provide nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, can also help replenish and diversify gut bacteria. Additionally, avoiding unnecessary antibiotics helps preserve the delicate balance of gut flora. Here's what you need to know about the connection between gut, liver, and skin health. The gut acts as the primary barrier against harmful substances, preventing them from entering the bloodstream and reaching the liver. The liver then processes and detoxifies any substances that do make it past the gut, converting them into harmless compounds. From there, the liver sends these harmless compounds to the skin, which eliminates them through sweat, sebum, and urine. Conversely, when the gut is unhealthy, harmful substances can leak into the bloodstream and overwhelm the liver's detoxifying capacity. This leads to a buildup of toxins, causing skin problems like acne, eczema, and even premature aging. So how can we support the health of our gut, liver, and skin simultaneously? First, prioritize gut health by consuming a balanced diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics. This helps maintain a strong gut barrier, preventing toxins from entering the body. Second, support liver health by consuming anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens and fatty fish. These foods aid in liver detoxification and reduce the burden on the skin. Third, minimize exposure to environmental toxins by choosing organic produce and using natural skincare products. Reducing external toxin exposure helps maintain the overall health of these interconnected systems. Fourth, manage stress effectively through practices like mindfulness and exercise, as stress can compromise gut health and impair liver function. Finally, consider supplementation with vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin D and curcumin to support gut and liver health. The future of aging research lies in understanding and addressing these root causes rather than just treating the symptoms. By supporting liver detox, increasing antioxidants like glutathione, activating autophagy, and improving mitochondria, we can greatly change how aging happens. In short, aging can be slowed and beauty improved by clearing waste from the body, reducing stress on cells, and supporting the body's repair systems. These methods help people look and feel better by working from the inside out. And if you want to dive deeper into this journey, check out the Beauty Reset Protocol. Link in the description. It is a comprehensive program designed to guide you through a transformative 21-day detox experience where you go through the process of detoxification, boost the body's natural antioxidant production, activate cellular renewal, and restore gut and liver health through targeted nutrition, supplements, and lifestyle practices. For anyone ready to slow aging, improve skin clarity, and boost energy, the Beauty Reset Protocol offers a practical, science-backed roadmap to renew from within. Click the link in the description and start your beauty and health biohacking journey today. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and remember that true beauty starts from within.